Welcome to Social Science. First lesson, India Introduction. India Geographical Location. See, India is located entirely in the northern hemisphere, specifically in the south central part of the continent of Asia. See the world map. In this map, where India is located, India is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. Okay, next, the main land of India extends between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and longitudes are 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. This is the latitudes and longitudes of India. The southern boundary extends up to 6 degrees 45 minutes north latitude in the Bay of Bengal. India size of the India, with an area of 3.28 billion square kilometers. India is the seventh largest country of the world. So what is how many? India is the seventh largest country in the world. Next, the sixth largest countries of the world in decreasing order are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. After Australia, India will come seventh place. India accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. So how much area India was occupied? India occupied 2.4% of the world area. India has a total land boundary of about 15,200 square kilometers. You see here boundaries of India in this map: 37 degrees north, 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and here 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitudes. Here 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes east latitudes. Next one, the coastline of India stretches along the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. Next point, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is about 30 degree difference. How much degrees? From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, 30 degrees difference. Hence, because of this difference, there is a time difference of 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. How many hours difference from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh? It is 2 hours difference and 30 degrees difference, and time is 2 hours difference. The sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh about 2 hours earlier as compared to Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Probably we know that first in India, Arunachal Pradesh will get the sunrise every day because sun rises in the east side. The maximum length of mainland from north to south is about 3,214 kilometers. From where? North to south. North to south, the mainland was 3,214 kilometers. The maximum length of the mainland from east to west is about 2,933 kilometers. So here north to south 3,214 kilometers and east to west 2,933 kilometers. India's total length of coastal line is 6,100 kilometers of its mainland, and after including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, it is about 7,516 kilometers. Only Indian mainland without Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands, India's coastline is 6,100 kilometers. Including Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands, it is 7,516 kilometers. India's territorial limit further extends towards the sea up to 12 nautical miles from the coast in the sea. So how many nautical miles India is occupied? India is occupied about 12 nautical miles. Indian Standard Meridian ISM 82 degrees 30 minutes east meridian crossing through the Mirzapur city of Uttar Pradesh is taken as India Standard Meridian. So what is the India Standard Meridian? It is 32 and of degrees east latitude as taken as the standard meridian of India. Where it crosses through the Mirzapur city of Uttar Pradesh. India's standard time is ahead of Greenwich, also called as 0 degree or prime meridian mean time, by 5 hours 30 minutes. Greenwich timeline is ahead. Indian time is ahead compared to Greenwich time. Tropic of Cancer passing through Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. The difference in latitudinal extent influences the duration of a day and night. India and neighbors. India and neighboring countries or neighbors. India has total 29 states, 6 union territories and 1 national capital territory. Present, it is before present, India has 28 states and 9 union territories and 1 national capital. India is bounded by young fold mountains that are the Great Himalayas in the north and the northeast. Throughout the history, India's connections with other parts of the world has been heavily influenced by waterways and also the mountain passes. India shares its international boundaries with Afghanistan, Pakistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north and northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. These are the neighboring countries of India. Island countries Sri Lanka and Maldives are India's neighbor across the sea. So islands are which countries? Island countries Sri Lanka and Maldives are the 2 neighboring countries of India. Sri Lanka is an island nation located off the southern coast of India in South Asia, and it is bordered by the Indian Ocean. India and Sri Lanka are separated by thin water body called the Palk Strait. So which is separating India and Sri Lanka here? Palk Strait water body is separating India from Sri Lanka. See here in this map, here it is the Palk Strait. It is separating India and Sri Lanka. And next, see the downstairs here. Maldives is a chain of islands connected southwest of Sri Lanka and India in the Indian Ocean. See, it is the Park Strait. Here it is Maldives. These are the introduction to India and geographical location and latitudes and longitudes occupied India. See, this Park Strait is very important. So this Park Strait is dividing India from Sri Lanka.